Okay, just a quickie. Carrying on with the Capcut problem with the cover editor. Basically, I've been talking to the help desk, and they keep on telling me to go on to the app, go on to feedback, put in the details, and hopefully provide a screenshot, whatever, and they will do something about it. Fortunately, I keep on telling them that the feedback is AI, and AI tells you to report it by email, which I did. So they come back to me now with, make a video, because we don't believe you. So here we are. This is Capcut. You can see that we're up to date. The notification section, we have online support, we have feedback and notification. So we'll do the feedback, which is what they want. We end up with this, which is a AI. Now, so let's put in here. There is an error with cover editor. It does not show for new projects. Let's see what it says. I've done this before twice, and all it said was report it by email, or report it by the what problem described in detail involves abnormality in the cover editor. Yes. That's what it says. I want to report it for repair. Right, so they could investigate, blah, blah, blah. Could you please describe the details? I've already told you. Current version, existing project. Right, it did not do this before. It did not do this before. This is a new thing that it's done. Have I still got the file, I wonder? Upload project configuration. See? Look, it's just loaded that window. Underneath there, you can't select it. And you can't move it. So, sorry, what? How do you, it's definitely an issue with the windows now. So I can't close. Can I close that one? Yeah, I can close that one. Let me move this over and get that one out of the way. Let's try that again then. So configure, here we are. Right, so have I got a new file? Which one did I do? I think it was definitely that one was a problem. Let's try that. So it's going to load that in it. Right, submit. Okay. So it basically, it's just proved me wrong because I've done this before and it did not do that. So that is extremely annoying, and certainly basically, I reckon they put that on after complaining about it. But that's CapCut. Cover editor. If you want to see what I mean, I can show you that now because I've already shown it on video. So we go into this one here, the project. You'll see that there is no cover edit. There's no cover there. Okay, so if I click on that, you can select from the video if you want, like that. If I want to have that there, edit cover editor, and it doesn't appear, not in the front, but if you go in the bottom here, you'll see that the cover editor is here, but you cannot select it. It does not come to the front. You cannot switch. See, it just goes back to the default. And now you can't do anything with this because the window, the other window, is open. So you have to close that. Now it will behave, but you still cannot get the cover editor to work. So that is for new projects. If you have the same problem, I know you do because a few of you already told me, let me know. Also go on to feedback and do the same thing that I did, because they're not going to fix it until they have to. That's it from me. See you soon. Bye for now.